At the end of May, cheeps from within the kestrel's eggs announce imminent arrival. The chicks need constant brooding for their first 10 days. The male's task is to keep them all fed. As incubation started after the first 3 eggs were laid, 3 chicks hatch at the same time and have a head start. In lean vole years, the last chicks to hatch, being weaker, will be the first to perish. The female will only feed hungry mouths turned in her direction. The 4th chick is only hours old, but shows great determination. At least for now, there's enough food for all.